Good morning. I'm Brian Gallagher. We get a chance to talk about some business. We get a chance to talk about technical business. We get a chance to talk about Hamilton Business Technologies. And here to fill us in on all of the information that we need to know is Ryan Weintier from Hamilton. Good morning. Good to have you here, man.
Yeah, great to be back.
We're going to talk about something that is a technical term that you will hear more of. A lot of the terms, especially lately, has focused on AI. And as you have seen and heard, there's still a lot of things that are working on that as they try to perfect it. And we know that's going to change even more moving forward. But one of the things that you will see now, and this is something they can help you with specifically, is something called Tailored Technology Solutions. So Ryan, tell me, Tailored Technology Solutions, what does it mean and why is it important for businesses?
Yeah, tailored is a funny word in the technology world, right? It's I'll admit that 90% of the IT protections we put in place for businesses are one size fits all. These are the things that are just required to protect a modern business. And works with, a lot of clients here, and our clients know and understand their industry. And we strive to make sure that we match that and tailor our solutions to their industry, the standards or requirements they're required to follow. We try to implement an IT program that matches their business work systems, their business softwares, and their environment. It's always that last 5 or 10% of things that are unique to each customer that we customize to fit to their specific needs and enhance their overall IT infrastructure.
Every business is different, so I'm sure you are working on a lot of different plans. But one thing that is a common thread is trying to make it user-friendly and uncomplicated. How does that work?
Yeah, that's really where that tailoring comes in, creating tailored technology solutions that are user-friendly, uncomplicated. Obviously, it takes a deep level of understanding on our side to make it easy for our clients. Even for those clients that aren't really tech savvy, we ensure that the solutions that we put in place are intuitive, easy to use, all while keeping them protected. A lot of our clients that we work with, we work to identify their pain points, their growth aspirations, and we try to implement the right tools to help them achieve their goals. The flexibility that we put in place really makes our solutions highly effective and really accessible for all of our clients.
Ryan Weintier is here from Hamilton Business Technology. If someone is looking for these things and are going, okay, it works for you, but is it going to work for me? How can you get them to that comfort level to make sure things run effectively and efficiently?
Yeah. This is really where Hamilton stands out, the size of our tech team. We have technicians with experience in the business IT that we talk about all the time, but we've got a really deep team in wide area networks where you think about complex routers and complex networking. We own and operate our own data center, offer, cloud solutions, have a tech team that runs that side of our business. We have business phone system solutions, security cameras, complex network design and cabling infrastructure. We do cybersecurity, governance, risk, and compliance. Really, it's the depth of our knowledge that allows us to offer a service that's tailored and really, surpasses our peers.
If Tailored Technology Solutions sounds like a good fit for you, thank you for that play on words. How do people reach out to you to find out more?
Yeah, you can reach out to our team. A lot of people know a lot of our technicians, a lot of our staff in and around the area. Otherwise, obviously, you can always call 308-381-1000 or always visit us on our website, learn more about our solutions, and contact us there. That's HamiltonIsBusiness.com.
Ryan Weintier from Hamilton Business Technology. You know what? The answer's out there, and you're happy to help folks. Thanks for the update. Come see us again.
Thanks.
Good morning from AM 1430 KRGI 105.5 FM.